Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to show you how to find the model number on your BlueStar gas range quickly and easily. First, make sure the range is turned off and completely cool before you start. Next, check the frame behind the oven door. Open the door and look around the sides or top edge of the interior frame. Many BlueStar ranges have a metal plate or sticker with the model number there. If you don't see it inside the oven, check the back of the range. The model number is often printed on a label near the power cord or on the rear panel. Some models also have the label inside the storage drawer or kick plate at the bottom. Remove the drawer or panel carefully and look for a sticker with the model number and serial number. Make sure to write down the model number exactly as it appears. This will help when ordering parts, checking manuals, or contacting BlueStar support. By following these steps, you can quickly locate the model number on your BlueStar gas range without any hassle. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe, and share your experience in the comments. Thanks for watching.